We back, man. Don't ask why I had the same shirt on in the last video, man. Shh. Yo, why my dress sticking up like that? But, well, we back, man. And, bro, this is one of the funniest niggas ever, man. It's funniest people on this planet, bro. Bro, he's a motherfucker, bro, because he's hilarious, bro. It's Lil Ratchet, bro. You gotta do that to the Lil Ratchet compilation, bro. Because this nigga is funny as fuck, bro. Let's get it.
To get something, right? Because I had borrowed something from her. And she came to pick it up, that's all. We ain't even doing that. We was about to go fishing. Just deep sea diving. That's all. Come on. What is he doing? How's I supposed to know you was coming that soon, man? Come on, babe. Don't. If you leave me, I ain't gonna have nowhere I could go. I ain't gonna have nowhere to go, babe. You not need this car. Yo. You don't gotta leave.
Tell her I see this exact scenario in my face, man. Ain't happened to me. I ain't gonna do all this, but yo.
You don't gotta
yo,
leave.
that's crazy.
Babe, don't do that. No, Carrie, give me my ball. No, Neff's here, give me my ball. Now you can't play. Stop, move.
Oh, God.
Move before maybe your mom should get a job like my mom. Then y'all would have better stuff.
Right. Bro, you can't really be mad at little kids let do shit like that, because my little cousin is like that. I don't really be mad like that, but it is so annoying, bro, because little kids have no filter, bro.
Watch out! Dang, can I get my foul? Give me! What's up, bro? Let me hit you. Let me hit you real quick. I ain't gonna hit you my hardest. Come on. Did that hurt?
Yo.
Bitch ass nigga, I brought his own lunch to school. Come on. Come on.
Yo, he's a
bitch, y'all. Hey, y'all want to see me bitch this nigga? This nigga a bitch. This nigga's a bitch. Bet you ain't gonna do that again.
I hate little kids who can't stop, bro. I hate that shit, bro. Little cause it's just like that, bro.
Let me show you this little move I've been working with.
Yeah! Y'all know so many heads like this from high school, bro. Yo.
Oh, yeah, like
I don't think I seen this one, yo.
My bad. Except that I told you, hibachi on me. Stop touching you. Oh, my bad. Come on, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
He's a menace, bro.
You got a boyfriend. Come on now. I said hibachi. Come on. What did you stop touching?
Trying, man.
What you thinking about grabbing, bro? Just grabbing all types of shit. Bro, niggas is finna be strapped up. Act like you already came in with it. Let me get some. You scared, nigga? Fill your pockets up. What you be usually grabbing? See, I go shop. We be having picnics, bro. Let me, bro. Just walk right out. Come on, bro. Oh, lazy ass nigga. You grabbed nothing, nigga. I'm not letting you leave this motherfucker with nothing in your hands, bro. Steal something. Oh, yeah, my shit off at the crib. Take me a bed, bro. Yeah, we straight, nigga. That's my mom ain't get no food stamp shit, bro.
My mom don't even cook at home. I'm making Lunchables forever.
Bro, come on. You were supposed to grab more, nigga. Come on. Hey, JJ, come on, nigga.
Where y'all going, man? Where y'all going?
Yo, I wonder how they set that up in the story. Yo, that's hilarious.
Hey, when a nigga think he got you slipping, look, you straight taking it. Now it's hard to breathe, right? Them motherfuckers hurt.
Oh, God. Because on my dad's side, I used to do this.
The most powerful shit you could do to a nigga. Punch him right in his damn mouth. When I see you, I get bigger, Roddy Piper. He just enjoy making new friends. Hey, and you the only bitch I get tender about. Aside from your rent, what's your ass bill?
Said what they was speaking to their crush. Oh God, bro. Bro, I tell you a simple story at 1K, bro. This literally wasn't me, bro. But the thing is, it was a taxation shit, bro. It was nothing more than that, bro. But I was hooked.
I think about you so much. I feel like I got a high school crush again. I'm vibing with you, baby. I'm vibing. We vibing.
Bro, if you said all that shit, look at you like a weirdo.
That shit don't make no sense, babe.
Yo.
Yeah, bro, you got some new shit, let me see. Baby mama mad at me and I don't think she really cares. Checking out the fridge and shit and ain't this shit definitely decent, bro.
I'm low-key that homie, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not gonna say everything, cause it's just like I take account to certain things. Like if it's your first year, I give you ease. But if it's no improvement, bro, then you're gonna hear it from me. But yeah, that's funny though.
They had to get up and go grab them food stamps. All you gotta really do is switch the lyrics up, switch some of the flow up, you know what I mean? You got hit with that one. What you say it's called? Food stamps? Oh yeah, bro. Ain't nobody really, you got your own little lane and shit, bro. That nigga said food stamps. That shit gonna be, hey, you might as well put me in a video for that and shit. What's up with you, bro? You had that 3-5 for you. And threw in a little bit of extra, you know what I mean? Cause you my boy, we go way back. Huh? No, that's a 3-5. It ain't. No. Nigga, if I was shorting you, nigga, that's like me risking my life, bro. Now, why would I do that? Why would I want to do that? Let me grab the scale, bro. Let me grab the scale, man. I'm grab it. What movie did you want to see, though? Act like they ain't even heard. I've been waiting long as hell. Tell them little niggas to go to sleep or something. I know they ain't, you know what I mean? I don't know. I was thinking about grabbing you a little air fryer dip, you know what I mean? A little Birkin bag. Do that thing right for you. You know what you bring your kids out here for? Tell them niggas go in that house. Hey, what's up with you, shorty? I just wanted to know if you wanted to, I'm here with my company and shit. I wanted to see if y'all was trying to cop some little packages we be having. Sending them out and shit. All you gotta do for real is just
Got the
fill that
back
out.
one on the.
Matter of fact, you know, I had a little cleaning shit. But for real, I can send that shit for you, cause they don't really be tripping about all that. I'll knock that joint out for you real quick. You know what I mean? It ain't no biggie. You care if I use your bathroom real quick? You tripping. Alright, well, I'm gonna just go around the side of your crib then.
Yo.
Be around the side of your crib.
Yo, bro, what?
Hey, spare change, man? Come here. Give me some. What you got? What the fuck you got, man? Give me. What you got? 13 cents. That's all the fuck you got. 13 cents. That's all you gonna give me. I eat better than that on my worst day, nigga. I eat better than $13 on my worst fucking day, nigga. What's up, bro? You from Pittsburgh? Alright, I'm from Erie, man. Y'all got Kennywood, we got Splash Lagoon, and the way I see it, you know what I mean? We one of y'all. Cause when niggas come up to Splash Lagoon, you know what I mean? We start with niggas got.
This be out thousand balls be beefing, bro.
Splash Lagoon, nigga. The whole, but I fucks with y'all niggas, man. I like y'all niggas. And I fuck with Waffle too, bro. I fuck with Waffle. Chill, man. Oh, he really got the strap though. Oh, alright, man. Niggas really got the strap though. This is really that Pittsburgh shit I was talking about.
Yo.
Oh, chill, bro. Neffs, that shit was fire to me though. That shit was fire to me. You probably ain't even roll up enough. How much did you roll up when you had it? Matter of fact, here, I'm gonna roll something up for you out of this little shit I got. Matter of fact, I'm gonna roll something up for you right now. For real, man. For real, man. For real. Come on, man. What you all last night? Come on, babe. You gonna kill me? You gonna kill me? Hey, how could I make it up to you? Look. Remember this shit? Remember the chick we went to school with? Remember the chick we went to school with? No, I work with her now.
Bro, if I'm having an abuser like that to me, bro, I'm out of there, bro. He wild.
We
Like,
just, we cool, we cool.
You're gonna make a joke of this. Joke's on you.
You be tripping. Say what you want, but my mom would never wear that out the house. Her face got all red. She always say she gonna call my mom. Every time she call my mom, you see my mom don't answer. You call me out, but you never call him out. He do the same thing. She got husband. She be getting piped. We all know her and Mr. Yeah, we know what they be doing. How you gonna give us homework and it's about to be the weekend? Next year tripping, man. I'm sitting there reading my book. You're telling me to put my phone away. My phone's not even out. Fuck are you talking about? How you gonna tell me I can't eat? I didn't eat my lunch yet.
What's up with you, bro? Shit, I'm on my way to work and shit. Yeah, alright. Hey, what's up with you, bro? I ain't seen you in a minute, though. Man, hold on, I'm gonna stop and fuck with you before I go to work. You know what I mean? Cause I ain't seen you in a minute, bro. What's up with you, nigga? I fucks with you, bro. You always been a cool ass nigga, bro. You definitely, your whole family been that way, man. That's why I fuck with y'all. Y'all solid, y'all thorough. You care if I hit that? See, that's why, man.
They ain't gonna walk away.
I really do. I fucks with y'all, man. I appreciate all y'all, bro.
What you mean? Neps, I did not mean to step on your forces, and I just wiped them off.
Oh, bro, you stepped on my shit, bro. What is you doing, bro? Wipe them off, bro.
Accident.
I don't care, bro. My mom just got me these, bro.
I'm not no bitch,
No, bro, I'm not with none of that, bro.
What you gonna do, bro?
None of that, bro. That's why your mom sucks dick, nigga.
And you're a bitch.
Mom's a bitch.
Neps don't talk about my mom. Neps chill. I was trying to see if you was calling him, bro. Chill. I was just the whole time I was trying to see if you was calling him.
Yo, that's hilarious, yo. I mean, I'm not a rat, so another one, but bro, Lil Ratchet, bro, he's so funny, dog. Yo. Yo. Now, my favorite one from him is like when he was like, I'm gonna see if I can play it, bro. I don't care, bro. This shit right here is my favorite one, bro. This shit funny as fuck, bro. This shit funny as fuck.
You little bro. Yeah, we're gonna tell your mom that. Yeah, next time she call. Matter of fact, hold on. There she go right there.
Bro, I could see me in this scenario.
Where's that $20
Yeah,
I left
bitch,
in
come get it back in blood. Be back when he feel like it. That's your
Yo.
age, man. That's riding around in little stolen vehicles. You don't know nothing about Pooh Shiesty? You don't know nothing about Pooh Shiesty? Hey, he make me want to hop back in the trenches. I tip my hats to him. You see what I'm saying? And that's my man's. If you can get in touch with him, I know you be running them little Instagrams and all that. Get in touch with Pooh Shiesty. Tell him I said what's up, man. Everything he make, man, it put me in my bag. I'm in the mirror practicing. I'm thinking I'm Pooh Shiesty.
Cause bro, I can hear a uncle saying this, bro. That's why it's so funny, bro. Like, yo, I love this shit, bro. This is one of my top 5 Lil Ratchet videos, bro. This shit is hilarious.
Anything I'm doing, owe somebody money over this way too. I ain't tell you. Oh shit! Get back in the whip. Get back. Nigga, come get it back in blood, nigga.
Yo.
Come on. Close the door. Close the door.
Yo, G driving that regular speed, bro. That shit is funny as fuck, bro. But yo. If you enjoy, man, hit me with that L, man. And comment if you want me to react to something else. I never say that at the end of my videos. And if you watch the full video, bro, comment nuts and 4. Because they winning the championship this year. And I'm out, man. You can hit my socials at the bottom, bro. Leave a like. I'm out of here.